Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here at Mercedes-Benz Sundar Motors in number 2 near Ananagar. So I would like to thank them for allowing me to review the cars, and you can check everything, all the details about the Sundar Motors in the description below. So a big shout out to them. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the Mercedes AMG GLA 35. So this is the third locally built AMG after the GLC 43 and the AMG A35. So yeah, this is the sportier version, not a full-blown AMG of the GLA, the regular GLA, and this is like not a full-blown AMG. The full-blown AMG is the GLA 45S. This is the GLA 35. So the engine is the same. The state of tuning is different. So if you see at the front, it has a huge Panamericana grille of the AMG, as you can see, big Mercedes logo and the AMG badging there. So you get LED lights, headlights, and these are multi-beam LEDs from Mercedes. On the front, if you see, the car looks absolutely gorgeous because of the grille. The whole look changes and the front bumper is much more aggressive than before. And now coming to the side, so as you can see here, the wheels, you get AMG brake calipers, and the wheels are, so the tire size is 235/50 are 19s, yeah, and the wheels are like 19s are really huge. The wheel looks absolutely gorgeous. Even the tire is like big. 235 is, yeah, good. And so in the black, like, the car looks absolutely gorgeous in the black color. You have other colors as well, the red color as well. Turbo 4MATIC written over here because this is the 4MATIC. This has 4-wheel drive. Yep. So you have a chrome lining running over here, so that gives a premium appeal. So from the rear, yep, the lights are good. These are LED lights. Let me show you these. Yeah, looks good. AMG written over here. Mercedes badging. GLA 35. Yeah, so this is a GLA 35, and you get twin functional exhausts at the rear. That's good. So let's open the boot. So you have a one-touch boot, and the boot space is 435 liters. Yeah, and the spare wheel eats up the space, and it seems like a full-size spare wheel. So not a space saver. So it's above the boot, like the boot floor, and you get the partial shelf as well. Yeah. So rear parking sensors as well. Now if you can see here, you can close the boot and you can directly lock the car from here. Yeah. So reverse parking camera, reverse parking sensors, all of those. So now let's get into the rear seat. So the doors open with the like proper feel, the premiumness. And you get Alcantara on the door pads, and the seat is also Alcantara. So yeah, door pockets are large enough so 1 liter bottle fit easily, and the ambient lighting is here, so ambient lighting looks good wherever, like overall if you see. So getting in is okay, it's easy to get in as the car is little up and the seat is also like not that low. So now showing you the legroom and kneeroom is good. Under thigh support is good, and the headroom if you see, yeah, it's good. I have a couple of inches more, and you get a light here. Yeah. So seats are supportive, and you get these red AMG seat belts, which absolutely look cool. Because yeah, it's an AMG, so you definitely get it. Seat adjust, the height adjust for the seat belt. Rear AC vents with a USB-C and some space here. Yeah, so transmission tunnel isn't that big, so 3 people will be comfortable, and the cabin is huge, so people will be comfortable, the 3 people. And 3 adjustable headrests here. And here you see this is a fixed glass roof, so basically we can say it as dual roofs rather than a panoramic sunroof. Yeah. So as the cabin is all black, this brings in a lot of airy feeling. Yep. So the rear seat experience is like really good, and if you see here, you get this wedge stitching here for the AMG. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Overall, the rear seat experience is good. So now let's get into the driver's seat. Now for safety, this car gets 7 airbags, ABS, EBD, traction control, hill start assist, 4-wheel drive system, and brake assist, electronic stability program, all of those stuff, and you have an anti-theft device, crash sensor, all of those stuff. Yeah. So the doors are like good to open, like not heavy to open. Power window switches here, ORVM controls, and you get electric adjust with memory function for both the front seats. Again, here door pockets are large enough for 1 liter bottle fit easily here. Grab handle is good, like good to hold, so no something premium is here. So you get the AMG scuff plate here, which looks absolutely gorgeous, and the lumbar support here. So 4-way lumbar support. As you can see here as well, you get the metal pedals here. So yeah, it's an AMG, so you require metal pedals here. So light controls and an electronic parking brake here, with the intensity of the instrument cluster. Yep. Now getting in, your door shuts with a proper thud. Now let me show you the steering wheels. So it gets a flat bottom here, and you get the volume control here, and you get the cruise control here. This is the control for the information display, and this is for the infotainment system. So this car gets twin 10.25 inch screens, so these are fixed. Yep. Get paddle shifters here as well. This is the gear selector, and these are the stocks for the wipers and lights. Now let me show you here. You get a driver armrest with some space, and you have a place where you can rest your hand here. This is for the manual configuration, how do you want your car's settings to be. Traction control button, and this is for the suspension settings, like how do you want it, you want it comfort, you want it on sport, all of the stuff. And if you see here, get a Mercedes touchpad here, telephone, radio, media, navigation, parking camera, vehicle, my vehicle, and this is for the favorite, like you can set where you want the settings to be, like which is your favorite, so you can automatically go there. Dynamic mode selector you want, you can set it up. Volume control, twin cup holders, and a trash can here. Here is the wireless charger, and yeah, this is the key. So you get the AMG key here, so you get lock, unlock, and you can directly open the boot from the key, so that's good. Now you get here these turbine like AC vents, and it has ambient lighting inside them. So like if you put if you increase the temperature, it will become red, the right side one and the left one. Like where do you do it? It has dual zone automatic climate control, and so it depends like where you're doing it. So if you like increase the temperature, it will become red. If you're decreasing it, it will become blue. And when you open the glove box, yeah, it's good and big. Yep. Now let me show you the sun visor. It gets a mirror with a light. Yeah, so here you get lights as well, with SOS, Mercedes Me connected car tech. So all of those stuff are there. So you basically have all the connected car features, and you can open the sunroof as well. So it gets a one-touch electric sunroof. It's a big roof. So yeah, that much it will open. It won't open further. So yeah, brings a lot of airy feeling. As I told earlier, this is an all-black cabin. So ambient lighting looks good in this car. So this car has 64 color ambient lighting, like all of us know the Mercedes that it has. Now let me show you this. This you can control it to this speed, consumption, average, the trip meter from start, from reset, and the display, like you have the full screen display as well. Yep. You get the engine start stop button here and the auto start stop system. So if you see here, this is the ambient lighting, and the air conditioning works brilliantly well. Yeah, ambient lighting is here. You get 64 color ambient lighting. You can set in multicolor however you want. So yeah, change it according to your convenience. So this is the best in segment, like having 64 colors. Yeah. So now let me show you you have phone navigation. So let me show you the map. So the map is like, oh my god, this is something really great, really great. So that's good. Navigation is good. Radio, media, comforts, and comfort. If you go, you have the ambient lighting. The seat comfort, you have the seat connectivity. These are like small not a massage, but these are not like, these won't tighten up your muscles if you're going for a long journey. So there'll be small exercise kind of thing, you can say. AMG performance here. So you can set it up vehicle, like showing it's in comfort. So if you get into engine, how much power and torque you're consuming, consumption, the mileage. Yep. So dynamics you can select it. Now talking about the engine, this is a 2-liter turbo petrol engine taken from the AMG A35, and this produces around, before that, this car shows exactly which door is open, and the speedometer is marked till 280. That's not the regular case. And now, so this car, as I told you, has a 2-liter turbo petrol engine producing 306 horsepower and 400 Newton meters of torque, taken from the AMG A35, which is mated to an 8-speed automatic gearbox with 4-wheel drive. So yeah, it's an SUV definitely. The regular GLA also get the 4-wheel drive system. So it looks good. And the 0 to 100 is around 5.1 seconds. The convenience, yeah, it's good, and the exhaust sounds sporty as well. So overall in the package, if you see, this car looks gorgeous, the performance is great, and 0 to 100 in 5.1 seconds for a car of this size is something phenomenal, like not regular. And I think it costs around 70 to 71 lakhs on our Chennai. So yep, a little bit more than the regular GLA, but what you get is something else. You have the AMG badging, so definitely you know something extraordinary is there in this car. So if anyone is interested, seeing the competition, there is no competition absolutely now, as it is the first one. So if anyone is interested in buying this car, you can definitely DM me on Instagram, comment on Instagram, comment on YouTube. I can help you anytime you want. So thank you so much. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.